All right, we are recording. So hi everyone again, and we will start with the demo, of course. I want you to show us like the app, like from the login till like all the functionalities till the end with all the pages and all what you have done. So yeah. Also, if you can like to view like show us also like the sharing list functionality, when you share a list with another person, what happens and so on. So who's going to share their screen?
I can do that
All right, go ahead.
because Marcia has been doing this for the last few weeks. She deserves a break. Um,
Yeah.
if anybody can send me a email address on the chat, so I will then share a list with you, and then we can show that that's working.
Yeah.
Test that that's working as well.
Yep. You
All
can
right,
go
can
ahead
you?
like and yeah, sorry. Just keep going.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so this is something new that we have implemented this week, that before the user signs into the app, they can already choose whether they want the light mode or the dark mode, and the site will remember uh, before they're signed in, and then stay on dark mode. These are my super serious testing lists that I created. We can create another one for a party, for example. And then we get the toast, and it directly directs us to the list view. And then here with the plus button, we can add something. We'll need it soon. And we need, I don't know, a lot of them for a big party. And then when it's added, we can edit this if we figure out that we need it more. This is a really cool animation, by the way. I hadn't seen this one. When did you guys merge this in here?
Oh no, it broke.
Ah, no
Maybe.
worries. I
Well,
guess there.
Oh.
no, we are live. That's why
Yeah.
I will type chocolate properly.
Let's
All right, there you
see.
go. Fixed.
Yeah.
We need to
Yeah.
work on that bug.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can delete items from a list, and we get the double check to make sure that that's what we want to do. And then from the home, we can click this button and share this with somebody. Please send me an email.
Here, I send you an email. Okay, chat.
There's nice. Yes.
Instantaneous.
Bye.
I'll invite her. And
Yeah.
we have also implemented the option to delete the lists. That was an absolute pain, but now we have it.
Ah,
And yeah, we can also change to light mode from here. And we also made it so this test shopping list, which I did not create, I'm not the owner, so I cannot share a list I don't own, and I cannot delete it either. That's why the buttons are disabled here. And yeah, we have a sign out button. And I think that's pretty much it. If we can confirm that I actually shared the party list with Marcia, which I don't
I can
know.
see it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then that
Just
worked.
share my screen.
yeah. Marcia, if you can like, I don't know
Yeah,
if you are comfortable sharing your screen,
yeah, no,
just
I'll
so we can
uh
see.
Okay.
We want proof. I don't believe you.
Maybe I'll create a different email account, and then we can.
let's wait.
Yeah,
This one. Yeah, it's it's here.
the party one. Okay.
And I
Okay.
can't do like anything with it because yeah, I don't know it or
Yeah.
made it.
All right. Thank you. Another thing that I want to
But it's
see.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess this is the bug related because I guess you only need um this loading animation. I guess the loading should happen only once, and that's when you first enter the list.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it shouldn't be there because you have a listener. So it's like the Firestore, like it's listening to your changes. So it's kind of like live. So you don't really need to refetch the data. So you don't need to do a loading every time you add an item or delete or edit because you have
Yeah.
like a
Try
listing.
to like
Yeah.
before as
So
before we merged, we tried to like figure it out, but our brain broke a bit. So we wanted to
yeah.
ask you about that one as well.
Uh,
Because there's like some rendering that's going on. I don't know if you can see it. If you click sometimes on a list,
okay.
um, you can
Do
see
it,
like
or see
something.
it, do inspect,
Yeah.
and yeah, show the localhost.
Oh, wow.
The
Localhost.
local storage. Sorry.
Okay. Wait.
You can go to the application there.
Wait.
Application
I'm
should
half
be
blind.
Yeah, go to the double arrow thing and then the
Here.
application in there. Yeah.
Okay. Mm, This one.
the low.
Wait. Because when you click on it,
Okay.
let me go on my right. Did anything change now? Because before,
The list path didn't change
no,
until
it
you
didn't.
are on the list. Yeah,
Oh,
like
so
this.
it's not
Oh,
changing, right?
let me go to actual list. No.
All right, we can like you still have 1 week for the final like present for the whole cohort presentation.
Yeah.
So you still have one additional week to work on this. Things happen. It's normal. And yeah, we can take a look later. Probably just something got deleted or repeated or something like that while you were merging your PRs.
Yeah.
So probably something like that. We will take a look at the code later and see like and we can see what's wrong with the code. Thank you. I still didn't see like the check functionalities and all. Geralt kind of skipped those.
Oh, yeah. Well, because we have been checking them
Oh.
every week, so I kind of
Oh.
didn't even show that.
Yeah.
Which I can. Well, now it's not loading the list, but oh,
If you're still having like a bug, it's okay. We can skip that for now. No worries.
oh no, I found something else. Damn it.
Is it like a loading bug? There's like a loading bug going on.
Yeah, but also I am in dark mode, right? Which is
Mhm.
in the local storage. We are storing that, right? But then
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
thing that happened. Like, did we see
Yeah,
it with Huda? We saw this. Like,
yeah.
Uh,
Adding that in as another feature using local storage, but I didn't have time to do it. So I said if I get a chance, I could possibly do it next week.
oh, what was it? Here?
yeah, it's kind of there. I saw dark.
yeah,
Right?
it is storing it because I can see it as well. It's dark now.
Or was it?
Uh,
Oh no, I think
no,
it's
no.
set dark always.
What?
So in the local storage, just press the little arrow, like oh, yeah,
Oh,
there.
there you go. Yeah, see, it's in.
It slides, and maybe there is something that deletes the local storage or something like that. Maybe when you refresh the page.
Oh,
Oh,
be
but it didn't.
for me it's always dark.
Yeah, definitely something
No.
weird going
Mhm.
on with that.
Well,
Um,
not.
Yeah.
but yeah, we can check it. Well, no, it's
Yeah, so you will have the same, yeah, you will have. So whenever you do an edit or anything, it's the same bug with loading.
I can show that check.
yeah.
Yeah.
But well,
Okay, so
it's
now yeah. So it's
Yeah,
just
okay.
something related to your how you show the loading.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably not yeah. probably not a big
Oh.
deal, so we can handle this.
Actually, that's
Can handle
something
this
we
later.
wanted to ask about.
Yeah.
No worries. You did a lot of changes during these like last 2 weeks. So I understand that you don't have time to deal with bugs. Bugs you weren't supposed to have, it's just like came out of the blue. So yeah, no worries. We can I will take a look at the code later and see
Mhm.
see what's going on. You can also try debug it yourself, and whoever finds the solution first win a prize. Uh, so yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you. Thank you everyone. And the app looks great. A lot of things have you added a lot of cool features, all the stuff. Only thing we need to fix now is that this weird bug about the loading, but you still have 1 week, so that's fine. And probably we can find the solution this evening or tomorrow. So yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can move to do you have any questions, any more questions about about this first before we move on to the retro?
No.
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 All right. Okay, so we will you have the link. I shared it this morning actually. But I can I can send it in the chat here. Let me find it and send it in the chat here again.
Oh, there you go. Got it.
There it is. I sent it again in the Zoom chat. Okay, and yeah, we will have like 10 minutes to fill in the cards. It's the the final retro, and also this is also the our final the last meeting. So yeah, say the the last word seems awkward. Like I'm trying to kill you or something. It's not the last word, but it's like yeah. Anyway, so I'll give you. Oh, Harris is here just in time. Hey, Harris.
Hi, I'm a little
Yeah,
late.
yeah, no worries. We were just done with the demo, and we were having like the retro now. So I don't know if you have the link or I can send it to you.
Let me check it
It's
out.
it's in the chat. Can you see the previous chat of Zoom, or you can't?
Oh, wait. No, there is nothing. Oh, yes, I can see.
Thank you, Marcia.
I thought, yeah.
All right, so we will have like 10 minutes and then can go back to read them out loud. All right. Does someone still need time to write something or all good? If you need time, just raise like a hand or something like that. Otherwise, I will share my screen. Okay. Hey Harris, by the way, I just saw your message. Yeah, we've been discussing this like when we like the error, we have been discussing it when we started. It's a bug happened when they merged to the main branch. So we will take a look at it this evening or anyway in the following days we will try to fix it.
Yeah,
You can
it's actually running fine. I guess there is some error, and it's saying
the use
uncaught
the
type
use
error cannot read properties of undefined. Use layout effect.
yeah we have done the demo like from the local host, you know.
Mm. Okay.
So you can join us in the bug hunt. We will be trying to figure out what's wrong.
Okay.
And I can't find the screen I want to share. I feel like this is the one. All right, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So we will start with this one and Geralt is
No, yeah, again, and I think somebody else mentioned it. Just like the app looks really good, and it's 100% thanks to Marcia spending her time on Figma and giving us feedback on the PR to follow the color palette for the buttons and stuff. So thank you.
yeah, 100%. She really put a lot of effort like to doing the design thing like in Figma and with the like she did it can I say that? Like she's a designer. So yeah, thank you, Marcia, once again. We can't thank you enough. And I guess Huda as well helped with the design, I believe. I can't remember.
Definitely Huda as well. Like, even today we made like today and yesterday we made like
5%.
minor like changes. So yeah.
Yeah,
5%
so
of that was me.
actually thanks to the whole team. So yeah. And we will move to the next one. Kirat.
That's also me. Pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, I think it was Haris who mentioned it. Like the amount of notifications this week was crazy. I kept getting. I'm like, this is not a branch or an issue that existed before. No, it just kept popping up. So yeah, everyone worked really hard. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I noticed. So thanks to everyone. And this is one is Marcia.
Yeah, just the same. Like everyone worked really hard and like we are all on different schedules, but like we were all pushing. And like maybe I'll say it in the next one, but I felt a bit like a dictator when I was doing my pull request sometimes, and I was just like, is this a bit much? Or but yeah, I learned a lot this week, definitely.
No, it's like code review is like feedback is always good, and it's always a discussion. So if the other one didn't agree, can like can say they can say that politely, you know. And it's more of a discussion rather than like do this, you know. So thank you. And also this is I said this in the what went well column. The code review this time was like the front and back and implementing the changes. The code review this last 2 week was perfect. So yeah, I actually encourage that kind of feedback. So thank you. And this is Huda.
Yeah, we had like 2 tough weeks, but everyone was giving their 100%. So like I was really thankful for that.
Yeah.
With the reviews and everything.
All right. Thank you. And this is Harris.
Yeah. So I was getting a lot of emails and Slack notifications. So it
Yeah.
means there was something there was something amazing the team was working on. So great job, everyone.
Yeah. That's why I said like at the beginning, it's totally normal that you didn't like have time to deal with the bug because you really did a lot of like you did a lot last 2 weeks. So congrats. Like you kind of did a rework to the app. So like it's version 2 or something. Not yeah, you didn't just style it. So that's really impressive.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this is me. Shout out to everyone of you for this amazing cohort. I won't just I don't have enough words to put in here actually, like to express my gratitude for all of you for real. This is like the last cohort, and I'm glad that I had the chance to mentor like a very talented. I don't have enough adjective. You are all talented, also committed, and this is the most important thing. You really put 100% of efforts into finishing your app. You really did well. You never like you never were lazy or trying to not do your work. I believe you did more than what what you were supposed to do. So thank you everyone. You really made this last cohort memorable. So yeah, thank you all. This is not for the last 2 weeks. This is for the whole cohort. I'm really grateful that I had the chance to be a mentor for this team. Thank you, and also thanks to the mentors. When I say the whole team, I mean the mentors and Collab is all of you. Yeah. So enough talk of me. So we'll move to the next one, and Jonathan.
My screens went black, but I think it said well, I think it said great job, everyone. Yeah, we worked like really hard both like this week and just across the entire cohort. And yeah, our app looks great. And yeah, like you said there, like our commitment was just like strong from the first week till now. And yeah, everyone has worked really well together.
Yeah, commitment and motivations are really important factors, and it also give us mentors like the more energy, like to keep up and to do our best as well. So, and I hope you all get what you wanted from the cohort, from the program, and from us, the mentors. I hope you got what you are here for. So, yeah, thank you once again. And we will go to what went well. And let's see, Geralt.
Yeah, I think we already mentioned it as well, but I feel like this week and the previous one, the feedback on the PRs was a lot better than in the previous weeks and really, really useful. Like it really, at least for
Yep.
me, pushed me to like, oh, okay, this feature that I implemented, it could be better if I like the confirm delete basically. Just like really good. It was great. And even in other I saw Marcia and Huda getting into it about the design, and I'm like, oh my god, this had not happened before. So it was really great. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Okay, this is Harris.
Yeah. So it's the colors and the entire app, the design, it's really amazing. Like the vibrant colors and the dark mode and all these things. I really love that.
Yeah, Marcia did a great job.
Yeah.
I can't like say that enough, but yeah, the app looks great, of course, and also like the way like the amount of features you have added. So yeah, that's everything was great. Thank you. Okay, I lost track. Where is it? Here. And Marcia.
Yeah, it's the same. Like just the response, like on the PRs, everyone was really on it, and then just changes were being made like left, right, and center, and everyone was just very accommodating, and I really like got comfortable using well, I was already comfortable, but more comfortable using all of the versions like of GitHub. And then I found that in VS Code you can just add comments as well, and then it instantly shows on GitHub. And I was like living my best life. Just yeah, it was very good. I love it now.
All right, thank
Okay, you
you.
need to teach me that.
Yeah, there's so many features that I didn't know that are just in VS Code to just leave comments, and like it was amazing. Yesterday I did it for the first time for the last one. I was like, oh my God, it works like this. Yeah. And there
Uh,
was one I think I showed to, or I could have showed to Huda with where you comment like a whole block of code or something. Yeah, it's so good. Anyway,
Thank you, Marcia, and please share with us the tips and anything you learn. Maybe if you have, of course, if you have some time, just do like a little bit of like just a message on Slack on the futures. Like we will do the research. Like we will do the research. You just need to mention like the futures and the stuff that we can benefits from. That will be helpful. If you have some time, of course, just send us a message in the channel. So yeah, thank you. And this is me. So this is what everyone else said. The past 2 weeks have been excellent, especially like the code review is much, much better doing the feedback and all. And also this, I have been seeing this for the whole cohort, communication and collaboration was like really smooth. Yeah. And also, I guess, I won't talk just about the last 2 weeks, but the whole cohort again. Um, I believe you got much better in talking about your code, like doing the demo, and you are more confident doing so. The communication was great from since the start, and it's getting better. So I really hope you got what you wanted from this program, but I can notice a lot of like differences from when you started and now. So yeah, and that's of course thanks to your commitment and efforts that you have been putting through the whole time. So yeah, and Huda.
Yeah, it's the same thing with everyone said. The pull request reviews, they were amazing these 2 weeks, like
Yeah,
to the point and like explaining everything. I love that.
yeah, thank
Thank you, guys.
you. And Jonathan.
Yeah, pretty similar. So just our PR feedback was really useful in improving the app. So just in that small example that I've given out, so just in terms of that feature that Carol added, the delete the list, that just the PR feedback in there, just adding a suggestion if the user actually really wanted to delete it. That's just like something which I thought would, it's just really useful. Yeah, just all these small little things added together, like improved our app a lot.
Yeah, totally agree. And I guess that's it for what went well. And based on this column, of course, everything was perfect. So yeah, let's see. This is Geralt, and yeah, uh, yeah, please read it.
No, yeah, that's it. That's my contribution to this column every week. We're all perfect. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. And we will go to what's next for you. This is the new column because we don't have any more issues. So we don't have like what's the actions we need to do. And yeah, sorry, before I go to the what's next for you, I want to just add one small note about what could be improved. It's about the timing of merging the PRs. But I have no rights to say this because you already did a lot of job, you did a lot of work this week and the last week, so totally understandable. But never merge your PR like Friday. I mean, if you are at your work, never merge your PR Friday evening. You don't wanna broke production. So yeah. Other than that, all was perfect. So yeah, thank you all. And now we will move to the what's next for you. And we have some amazing news here from Jonathan. Please delight.
So I had some good news this week. It was on Tuesday evening. I was successful in my job interview that I went for. It's at a company near me, so about 10 minutes away. So I don't have to travel far. And yeah, that's for an apprentice web development position. So yeah, I'll start there at the beginning of next month. So I'm looking forward to it.
Congrats, Jonathan. This is
Thank
the
you.
kind of news I wanna hear.
Yeah,
And
great job.
hopefully, yeah,
Thank you.
and hopefully for the rest of you as well. And yeah, thank you, Jonathan. And you will do great. It's well deserved. You are talented. You will do great at your job. And yeah, that's it. And this is me. And I usually say that I'm gonna mentor again, like in the near future. But sadly, this is the last cohort, so no more mentoring at the Collab Lab. But I'm planning to focus on improving my skills. Probably I don't wanna be. It's not I don't wanna be, but I don't wanna be like just focused 100% on front end. So probably I will like transition into Stack or DevOps. I'm still undecided. Yeah, that's it about me. I'm still lost about my future. And yeah, please share with us. It doesn't have to be like written if you have any plans or anything that we can like maybe help you with, or please, the floor is yours. You can share with us, and if you are comfortable doing so. So yeah.
Okay, I want to add something in here. So, uh, I want, I guess a year or 2 years ago, I was trying to get into this collab lab as a mentee to learn, like we are doing now. So I couldn't accept it into the lab because of my region. So I later joined it as a mentor. So I started the same this mentoring and project thing for my own region and for my the from uh, for the students of Pakistan. And currently I have 4 developers and they are early in their career. Two are back-end developers and two are front-end developers. And I have me and my other friend is like mentoring them, creating issues or opening issues for them and guiding them, like how do you wanna uh, attempt this a feature, or how would you fix this, just like the collab lab, but it's actually like local. And we are also using Python on the back end. So it's pretty amazing. I learned a lot from this cohort, and I'm using this knowledge to like teach others how to code and learn something new. So
Uh,
maybe in the future, Rida, I would collaborate with you if you wanna work in Python or something. And
yeah,
everyone else, if they wanna contribute to the project or the team, so they are welcome.
yeah. That's a great initiative, Harris. I've been thinking actually to do the same, but I don't think I have enough resources to run the whole thing like by myself.
Mm.
And also, English is not the first language here. No, sorry, the second language here in Morocco. So I may have some problems speaking French, or I don't know, or even our own language. So And yeah, I just feel like I don't have enough resources to run something like the Collab Lab. But yeah, great initiative. Hopefully, it
Yeah.
will become the Collab Lab of Asia, not only Pakistan. Yeah.
Maybe.
So
I have very high hopes for that.
yeah, so great initiatives. Thanks for sharing with us, Harris. And if you need help, of course, I can always contribute. I will be more than happy to do so. Just
Thank
consider the time zone there.
Yeah, totally fine. We are doing
Yeah,
actually like I encourage them to don't rely on calls and all. Just leave a message to like if you wanna ask something from a mentor or from or a colleague. Uh, if you run into a problem, describe the problem and the steps you take to solve that problem. So if someone joined in another time and if you are offline and they are online now, they can read it, understand it, and leave a feedback or a solution for it. So we
yeah,
are
totally.
more of a async communication.
Yeah. And that's helpful rather than, hey, how are you? And
Yeah.
after after the next morning you say your issue. So yeah, it makes sense. Thanks, Harris, for sharing with us. And I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. And if someone has anything else to share with us about their, I'm trying like to do like a job, like just searching.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm searching. You go, you go. You
I
started.
mean, yeah, I mean, most of you already know, but I did actually start a new position a couple weeks ago.
Ah,
So I
that's
am
great.
working as a front-end developer, um,
Yeah, so
Congratulations.
congrats.
which it has been great. Uh, um, but I'm really thankful to everyone because my schedule obviously changed. I was not available practically during the usual hours anymore, and everyone was super accommodating and like understanding of my brain not working after office hours. Um, but yeah, it has been great. I started learning Vue, which is what my current company uses, and so it was amazing to work with React at the same time, so I would not forget absolutely everything I knew about it. Um, and I have the chance to play around with the backend, which uses Go, and
Oh,
that's been completely different.
So,
I had played around a bit with Python before, but Go is also really cool. So yeah, I'm really excited. And Harris,
yeah,
I love what you're doing. Like best of luck with it. It's so great.
yeah.
Yeah,
Congrats,
and
TL.
thank you.
Congrats.
And congrats to Jonathan, because I know how hard he was working at the interviews. Got it. And how bad
Yeah.
the market is at the moment, also.
Yeah.
I'm super happy and excited for it. Like two collabs got job already, so yeah, that's perfect. I couldn't ask for more. So yeah, and I believe both you will do great. You all are like I said this many times. You are talented, committed. So yeah. I wanted to say something more, but I forgot. I don't know what I wanted to say. Marcia, please go until my little brain tries to remember. Yeah.
Um, yeah, no, yeah, where do I go from here? I don't know, just applying, I guess. I have to do a like a test by Friday for a job, which doesn't start for a very long time, but I'm gonna try it anyway. It will be like in SQL and I think probably Python. So wish me luck. And in the meantime, I'll just like apply for jobs and with this whole like collab lab, I did understand that I might maybe want to go more like in design or product design instead of just software development. And I have in the meantime like enrolled in uni in a web design and web development course. So yeah, gonna be focusing on that and
Yeah.
just learn
So,
more about the
so
user. Yeah.
yeah. Sorry to interrupt. So at the end, you got into the
Yeah, no, I got into it
course.
already. The only thing was if I was if I was gonna
Yeah,
do
yeah,
it.
to pay.
So
Yeah,
yeah, I chose to do
yeah.
it. I started 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
How is it going? All good?
Yeah, it's okay. It's quite boring because it's just a lot of text for now. But when it goes a bit more in like user experience and accessibility, then yeah, I hope to gain a lot from that. Yeah,
Yeah. I I guess there are roles where they want developer to be also a designer,
yeah,
which I don't really like because it's a lot to
it's a
ask
lot.
from yeah, to ask from one person.
Yeah,
Um, but it can be a door for you, you know, because you like both. So maybe it can be like kind of a, so good luck. Good luck,
yeah.
Marcia, on the job hunt. It can be tough. So yep.
Thank
And
you.
yeah. Huda, do you have anything to share with us? No pressure.
No, I'm just applying lately and learning Next.js on the side while doing this project. So it's still fresh on my mind while I'm doing it. Yeah,
All
so
right. Good luck.
I
Good
guess
luck with the yeah.
thank you.
Sorry to interrupt. Good
It's
luck with the
okay.
job hunt, and
Thank you.
if you need anything with Next.js, please ask me. I can always help. It's the main technology I work with. So yeah, all of you, if you need anything with the, and in the end, I will say I don't know.
That's cool.
When you
Okay.
when you ask me, I will say, this is new to me. I don't know because it's been like evolving like in a crazy way. If you work with Next 12, I guess anyway, not the version explicitly, but there is now this new app directory. And if you work with the new app directory, it's not the same if you were working with the pages directory. So it's kind of a mess. I
Yeah,
had
I've been exploring that.
yeah, I've been working on both, and whenever I switch, because we have old projects at work, and whenever I switch, I can't remember how the other one works. So
Yeah, understood.
so yeah, but good luck with the job hunt, and I believe like how Geralt is doing now. Technology doesn't really, they are all the same at the end. So Geralt, I I believe you never like you didn't have any experience with Vue.
No, no. Actually, I had only used React, a bit of Angular, which I hated, and and
Yeah,
Next.js, which was terrible because every time you try to look for something, you're using the apps or app route, and you only find answers for the pages, and you're working
yeah.
with pages, and you
So,
only
yeah.
find it's terrible. Um, but no, they actually, I found this a lot. I don't know if it is just the market around my area, but a lot of Vue positions actually allow you to take the technical test using React because it's so
Yeah.
similar. They're just like, if you can do it with React for the test, you can pick up Vue in a couple of weeks. And I was like hesitant, but it really is very easy to pick up. And I am enjoying it a lot because there is no prop drilling, and that's great.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah. Also,
thanks.
Pinia is a lot easier to use than Redux.
It's that's not my.
Yeah,
I have no idea what you're talking about now, girl.
I
The
actually on the last job I worked with Vue as well, and we were building a banking application. We
hmm,
were also using Go on the backend, and front end was Vue.js. So Vue is very like simple. If a beginner wants to learn a framework, they should learn Vue because it's like HTML. Like you have
yeah.
templates and script and styling. Everything is separate.
Hmm.
Unlike React, everything is in just one file or one function.
Yeah, I am finding it really, sometimes you're working with React and there is a hook or a functionality you want to implement and you think, it doesn't make a lot of sense that this works like this.
Yeah,
And in Vue, everything makes sense. Like, oh, how do I loop something? How do I, oh, this is the way I do it. That makes so much sense. I don't know. It's really nice. I really
yeah,
encourage everyone to check it out. It's
Yeah.
great.
Well, thank you, Geralt, and I'm happy like you are enjoying your current role. So yeah, and good luck for Marcia and Huda. Uh, I'm pretty sure you will also find something, and please, when you do, let us know. we wanna like celebrate alongside with you. And yeah, I guess we are just on time. Does anyone have anything else to share or wanna say?
I think, well, from us, well, I'd just probably say like thank you to you as well, just because anytime we've needed help or anything like that, you've been really quick to offer it, or in any way you can help, you've been like really supportive. So yeah, just thanks to all the mentors as well.
Yeah, we were more than happy to help. And actually, we were pretty independent. It's throughout the whole cohort, we didn't really have to deal with a lot of questions, a lot of. You were pretty much independent, so it's really nothing. We were more happy to help. Yeah. So the last time, I guess Huda wasn't here, so Harris wasn't here, but I asked you all to please, like if you can come with your cameras on, so I can like take like a selfie for yeah for the last one. Huda, it's totally okay if you are not comfortable doing so. So we will like just do it as it is right now. Sadly, Tommy couldn't join us this time. So yeah, that's it. So I am going to do like a screenshot just, and I will share it on Slack. So it's stay like a memory for all of us that TCL-79 existed at one time. Yeah, and please, before I forget, when we finish this, I will try to send a message on Slack, in which we will all like put our social media so we can like connect. Not social media, sorry, but our social network like LinkedIn, or if you have Twitter. So yeah, and I am now trying to put us all in this square. So yes, I am looking like this. So let me just do the right position. Okay, here we go. The problem is, okay, file, and there we go. Thank you, everyone. I will share with you this on Slack, and maybe in the same thread we can put our LinkedIn profile so we can connect. And please, if you need anything further, we still have one more time to, probably not of us will be present, but we still have the last like for the whole demo cohort, we still have one more time to see each other. But anyway, please, if you ever need anything, please, for me, reach out. Just reach out to me, and if there is anything I can help with. And yeah, that's it for our meeting. Thank you, everyone. It was really fun and great cohort to be with you all. And I am gonna let everyone of you say a last word, maybe just a thank you, anything you want to say, and then we can end the meeting. Yeah, I will. Let's go with. I have Jonathan here at first, so please go ahead.
No, just yeah, like you said, thank you to everyone. It's been really enjoyable. Learned a lot, and yeah, really glad I did it.
Ah, thank you, Marcia. I guess we are just repeating what we did in the retro, but but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, just thank you everyone. I really learned a lot. Yeah, thank you to the mentors as well, for always being available. It's been great.
Yeah, thank you, and hope good luck with the course, and good luck also with the job hunt. Yeah, get out.
Yeah, well, I want to thank the mentors and Tommy, who's not here, but was also available for us when we needed her, and everyone on the team, because it was really, really great, both a technical learning experience and in terms of collaborating with an asynchronous group of people that's in like different time zones and everyone is on different schedules, and it was really, really great, really enriching. So thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you. And now I remembered what I was about to say. We are we are like almost 10 minutes past the time, but yeah, I just want to ask like how helpful the Collab Lab was like in the job hunt process. Talking like for Jonathan and Geralt. Like, did they
It,
ask about what is it, or did they
yeah,
consider it, or
it was really helpful for me. The guy that interviewed me, he was when I put it on the application what I'd been doing, he couldn't ask enough questions about it. He was just like wanting to know like everything. Obviously, I listed on there what I'd learned, like a lot, like pull requests and just doing like coding with like pair collaboration like sessions and stuff like that. And he was really interested in it and just say he was like it sounded really beneficial because without it, I don't know, I'm not sure I would have got it. So I probably got a lot to thank for doing it. Yeah.
yeah, we all gotta thank the founders for real. The same, for me, like I got my first job directly after the Collab Lab. Not directly after, but it's kind of like the same position during the Collab Lab. So yeah, Geralt.
For me, it was a bit strange because I started the Collab Lab and I had already applied for this company. So I didn't have it on my CV or anything.
Oh,
But
I get it.
when I shared my technical test with them, which was like a small website, and they checked my GitHub and everything, right? I didn't know, but once I started working, the front end developer who checked it told me like, oh, I was so surprised that you had so much activity on your GitHub, like you were
Yeah.
constantly doing stuff, and that was a Collab Lab. So I'm not 100% sure, but I am pretty sure that the amount of activity and me coding daily and like being active on projects and having
Yeah.
repositories open like really helped with that.
And
Yeah.
hopefully also it will help you like doing like the collaboration things, like how it all
Yeah,
works. So, yeah. Thank you,
100%.
Geralt. And I will finish the last like the tower. So Huda, please.
Yeah, thank you to everyone. That was like a really fun, and like I learned a lot during this experience. So yeah, thank you everyone, mentors and teammates as well.
Thank you, Huda, and good luck with the job hunt as well. And yeah, Iris.
Yeah, I would say I will miss this meeting weekly and discussing the projects and all. I really enjoyed it. Learned a lot from the mentors and obviously from the mentees who worked on the project and the project structure and everything. So uh, I actually learned a lot from this, and I would like to replicate this from for my region people, and hopefully I'll help someone get a job. I really enjoyed this. So, and one thing I would add, Marcia and Hoda, please don't wait like you wanna learn Next.js and Vue.js and all. Just apply for the job. You will never be ready. Apply in. So
Yeah.
this is it. Thank you, everyone.
I totally agree with what Harris said. Just keep applying. You will, and if there is any new technology, you will learn it on the job and maybe before a little bit. So, yeah,
Yeah.
and that's it. Harris, the thing you are doing like the for your region is great. Please let me know if I can help in any way.
Of course.
And yeah, thank you all. And finally, I'm gonna let you go. So yeah, bye bye everyone, and I won't see. I won't. Maybe I won't see you again, but yeah, it was fun, cohort. Thank you all, and bye bye.
See you around.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.
But,